Hey, what's up? Educators and learners, ever clicked on a 5-minute history lesson and felt your soul leave your body after 30 seconds? We've all been there. But what if I told you educational content can be fun, fast, and mesmerizing? Stick around. I'm dropping 5 secrets to turn boring lessons into unforgettable experiences. Let's go. First rule, grab 'em in 3 seconds or lose 'em forever. Start with a question, a shocking fact or drama. Example, did you know a single bolt of lightning could power your phone for a year? Boom! Now they're hooked. No slow intros, just fire. Brains are wired for stories, not bullet points. Turn the water cycle into the epic journey of Droplet Dave. Make Pythagoras a detective solving a triangle mystery. People forget facts, but they never forget drama. Don't talk at them, talk with them. Pause to ask questions. Comment below, should Pluto be a planet? Use polls, quizzes, or challenges. Even better, roast wrong answers. You picked B. Oof, let's break it down. Your slides shouldn't look like a PowerPoint from 1999. Use memes, GIFs, or weird analogies. Mitochondria are the cell's battery, and they're as moody as my phone at 1%. And yes, you can joke about anything, even algebra. Attention spans are shorter than this knife. Serve content in bite-sized chunks. 10-minute video, split it into 4 2.5-minute acts. Use timestamps, quick cuts, and stay tuned for teasers. And if you're explaining quantum physics, you've got 20 seconds. Go. Boom! You're now armed to make education addictive. Smash that like button if you're ready to ditch the snooze fest, subscribe for more pro tips, and comment your video idea below. I might just feature it. Go be awesome. See you next week.